What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can force power off and restart your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Hey there, welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And I'm gonna have a bunch of cool links in the description down below. All right, with that being said, let's jump straight into the video. So I'm gonna show you how to force power off and restart your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. And this is something you may wanna do if your phone is freezing up a lot. Maybe it's getting stuck on certain apps. And it's just lagging and freezing up. So this is something that's gonna power everything off. It's gonna, obviously turn off all the apps and everything and restart your phone so that it can have a fresh reboot and start working normally again. All right, so let's say that you're stuck on this app, for example. You're over here on YouTube Music or any app for that matter. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna press and hold volume down and the power lock button at the same time for a few seconds until the phone shuts off. Once it does, you can let go and the phone will automatically restart so that it can unfreeze. All right, so let's do that now. So volume down and power lock button. The power off menu like this will probably appear. Just keep holding the buttons. Then you can let go once the screen turns black. And then just give it a few seconds and the phone will reboot. And there you go. The phone has booted back up. So it should be working back to normal now. It should have unfrozen the phone. So now you can continue using your phone normally again. All right, everyone, so that is how you force power off and restart your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Go ahead and hit that like button if this video helped you out. Comment down below, let me know if it did. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.